She is Susan. She is innocent and lovely.
Good morning, Madam Susan.
Good morning. How is your mom now?
She is fine now. You helped me a lot.
Is my breakfast ready? I am starving.
Yes, madam. Your breakfast is ready. Your dad is calling you.
Okay. I am coming.
How is my sweetie?
I am fine. Dad, I need a new car.
Okay, sweetie. You can buy a new car. I will give you my MasterCard.
You are the best dad in the world.
Would you like some more tea, Madam Susan?
No, thanks.
Why are you so rich? I want the luxury lifestyle. I hate rich people. I don't want to be a maid for the rest of my life.
Good morning, my love.
Good morning, my love. How are you today?
I am good. Can we meet today?
Yeah, sure. See you soon. Kathy, come here. I need your help.
Yes, Madam Susan. How may I help you?
I am going out. Can you grab my bag from the living room?
Okay, Madam Susan. I will be right back.
Wait. Put my bag in my car.
I hate Susan. I will get your whole property. Wow. I love money. I can buy a lot of things. Come on, Kathy. Take some money. Susan will not count this money. Madam, I put your bag in your car.
Thanks. You are a good person.
You look so beautiful. Touch wood. Susan has left the house. You know the plan. I cannot wait anymore. We need to complete our plan.
You are my world. Thanks for coming in my life.
Here is your bill, sir.
How much is the bill?
The total comes to $200.
Honey, can you please pay the bill?
Yeah, sure. That's no problem. I will pay with my MasterCard. Honey, what's the matter? I cannot see you sad.
I am sorry, Susan. I could not pay the food bill. You paid the bill last time as well. I am broke. I feel so bad. I cannot give you the luxury lifestyle.
Don't say like this. I don't need anything. My money is your money. I don't care if you are poor. I love you. I love your soul.
Can you live in an apartment with me? You will face a lot of difficulties after marriage.
I can tolerate anything. I cannot leave you. If you are with me, I can confront the whole world. I can live in a tent with you. I cannot live without you. I can sacrifice my life for you. I love you a lot.
How can someone love me so much? You are my heartbeat.
Cheer up. Let's go now. We will marry soon.